I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. This completely renovated listing offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with 1,200 square feet of living area. Looking out on palm trees and paradise, this renovated kitchen has spacious granite countertops and new appliances, giving it the modern, sleek feel. Highlighting the amazing water view, you'll appreciate the open living area with great sunlight, thanks to an entire wall of hurricane impact glass. And with completely renovated bathrooms and cozy bedrooms, you'll feel relaxed the minute you walk in. Located on the beautiful Moorings Bay, La Maison features amazing water views. This mid-rise complex has always been in high demand for its proximity to the bay, beach, and shopping. Enjoy wonderful shops and delicious food just a short walk away at the Venetian Village. And with only one bridge to the Gulf of Mexico, this location is a boater's dream. Owners at La Maison enjoy a bayfront terrace, completed in 2013, an outdoor grilling area, a community room, a bayfront pool, and a fitness room. And best of all, it's located just steps across the street from Horizon Way beach access. This sharp, sleek, and modern property is ready for you to occupy immediately. So call me to discuss this La Maison opportunity or other waterfront properties.